Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're going to look at a muscle saw, a McCulloch Mac 250. It's got the 36-inch bar and chain, .404. It was made in 1964. And it's going to show you a few things on this saw. It's got a real nice 36-inch roller nose bar with a chisel bit 404 chain skip tooth, and it's been not used in years, and it's cleaned up real nice. What it looks like. Get it turned around here so I can see the other side. Got some overspray. They've had it in an auto shop or somewhere. It's got a little overspray on it. And it's got a choke and a manual oil pump. And it runs good. Turn the switch on. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.